Hi everyone, this is Amy with My Plant Passion, and today we are going to talk about the Chinese Evergreen. There is so many different varieties and colors to the Chinese Evergreen. This is one of my favorite ones. It has the very pink stems, just gorgeous, gorgeous way to really brighten up your room and really brighten up your home. And again, there are so many different variations. This is a fairly healthy one. It's got a new leaf getting ready to start right there. And this has a lot of red to it too. These also do take, I don't recommend too much water or too dry. This is actually in the soil with a lot of peat moss, so it stays moisture a lot longer. And these are fairly easy. It does require light. The brighter the colors, the more light it requires, but it requires indirect light. And I recommend testing the soil before you actually water it. This one, I think it's been watered maybe once every couple of weeks, and it's still very moist. I actually had to drain some from the bottom because it holds water really nice. Depends on the soil that you use. And it's got gorgeous colors on there. I love the pink stems. It just really makes it look neat, and it does brighten up your room. And again, these can be like watered maybe once every couple of weeks, once a week. Just test your soil out, make sure it's not too dry and not too wet. And they do require a higher humidity, so you can mist the leaves to bring up that humidity. You can also get a humidifier. I actually have a humidifier, and these are fairly they are tropical plant. We don't ever bring them outside. We keep them inside. Our temperature stays about 70 to 74. And the humidity is, I try to keep it above 50%, just because the plants seem to do much better above 50%. I try to keep it like 50 to 55, 60. It just depends on how dry it really is out in our home. And so you definitely want to make sure you don't overwater these. They do get root rot, and they do require light, and like a lower light depending on the foliage or foliage. The foliage, if it's a darker foliage, it doesn't require as much light. This one really doesn't require a whole lot of light, but when you have the ones that have like white on here, I do recommend like a more indirect light. We use the grow lights. That seems to really help these guys out. But this is the Chinese Evergreen, and it's gorgeous. And there's so many different colors and variations, but my favorite is the one with the pink stems, because it's just pretty. So eventually I'm going to create videos on how to propagate these and how to repot them. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and stay tuned. But thank you so much for watching my video today. And remember, for your mind, body, and soul to play in the dirt. Bye for now.